Hello friends, my name is Nilima. Welcome to NJ classes. An integer is a number that can be positive, negative or 0. Today we are going to learn addition of integers. Integers which we add could be positive or negative. Hence it is necessary to know the rules. There are 4 rules. So let's start with first rule. When two positive integers are added, then result is positive. Let's see example. Plus 25 plus 15 is equal to plus 40. In general, we don't write plus sign. 25 plus 15 is equal to 40. Another example is 11 plus 10 is equal to 21. This is the addition of two positive integers. When two negative integers are added, then result is negative. Let's see example. When minus 25 and minus 15 is added, we get minus 40. Another example is minus 11 and minus 10. Here addition gives minus 21. This is the addition of negative integers. Third rule is when positive and negative integers are added, result is obtained by subtracting smaller number from bigger number and sign of bigger number is given to the result. Here while performing addition we have to subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Let's see example. 25 plus minus 15. Here bigger number is 25 and smaller number is 15. So we have to subtract and result is 10. As 25 is positive, so result is also positive. Another example is 11 plus minus 17. Here minus 17 is bigger number. So subtraction gives 5 and sign of bigger number is minus. So 11 plus minus 17 is equal to minus 5. The last rule is also same. But here we mention negative plus positive. Here also result is obtained by subtracting smaller number from bigger number and sign of bigger number is given to the result. Let's see example. Minus 25 plus 15. Here bigger number is negative, so result is also negative. Another example is minus 11 plus 17. Here bigger number is positive, so result is also positive. Always remember, when integers have the same sign, add the integers. Here sum will have the same sign as the integers. When integers have different sign, find the difference between the two numbers. The sum will have the same sign of the larger integer. Multiplication of integers. Integers which we multiply could be positive or negative. Hence, it is necessary to know the rules. There are 4 rules. So, let's start with first rule. When two positive numbers are multiplied, result is positive. Let us consider A and B any positive integers. A multiplied by B is equal to AB. 5 multiplied by 15 is equal to 75. Another example is 11 multiplied by 10 is equal to 110. Rule is when two negative integers are multiplied, result is positive. Here a and b are positive integers, we apply negative signs, so it becomes negative. Minus a into minus b is equal to ab. Now minus 5 multiplied by minus 15 is equal to 75. One more example is minus 11 multiplied by minus 10 is equal to 110. Third rule is when positive integer is multiplied by negative integer, we get negative integer. Here a is multiplied by minus b, so we get minus ab. 5 multiplied by minus 15, so result is minus 75. One more example is 11 multiplied by minus 10 is equal to minus 110. The last and fourth rule is when negative integer is multiplied with positive integer, we get negative integer. Minus a multiplied by b is equal to minus ab. Minus 5 multiplied by 15 is equal to minus 75. Similarly, minus 11 multiplied by 10 gives minus 110. Always remember, when two positive integers are multiplied or two negative integers are multiplied, result is positive. When both integers are different, means positive multiplied by negative or negative multiplied by positive, result is always negative integer. When two signs are placed simultaneously, that means there is relation of multiplication. Let's see example. Minus in bracket a plus b minus c. Here minus sign is placed before bracket, that means whole bracket is multiplied by minus, that means whole bracket is multiplied by minus 1. So to solve this, we have to multiply each integer by minus 1. So we get minus 1 into a plus minus 1 into b plus minus 1 into minus c. By using multiplication rule, we get minus a minus b plus c. Subtraction of integers. Integers which we subtract could be positive or negative. Hence, it is necessary to know the rules. There are 4 rules for subtraction of integer. For performing subtraction of integer, you must know the rule of addition and multiplication of integers, which we had seen previously. Link is given in description box, so please check out it. Let's start with first rule. When two positive integers are subtracted, the sign of greater number is given after the subtraction of integers. For example, 25 minus 15 is equal to positive 10. Second one is 12 minus 17, as here bigger number is negative, so answer is also negative. 12 minus 17 is equal to minus 5. Another rule is when subtraction of two negative integers, then also sign of greater number is given after subtraction. For example, minus 25 minus 15. Here as per multiplication rule, minus minus become plus. So it becomes minus 25 plus 15. Then we use addition rule and get minus 10. Another example is minus 12 minus minus 17, which gives minus 12 plus 17, and answer is 5. Third rule is when negative integer is subtracted from positive integer, we get positive integer. Example, 25 minus 15 is equal to 25 plus 15. is equal to 40. Here minus minus 15 means there is multiplication relation, so minus minus becomes plus. Another example is 12 minus minus 17 is equal to 12 plus 17 is equal to 29. Fourth rule is when positive number is subtracted from negative number, we get negative number. For example, minus 25 minus plus 15 is equal to minus 25 plus minus 15. As multiplication rule, we get minus into plus 15 as a minus 15. So minus 25 plus minus 15 gives minus 40. Another rule is minus 12 minus plus 17 is equal to minus 12 plus minus 17. So minus minus gives minus as minus 29. Division of integers. Integers which we divide could be positive or negative. Hence, it is necessary to know the rules. There are 4 rules for division of integers. Let's start with first rule. When both numbers are positive, result is positive. Example is 75 divided by 15, result is 5. Another example is 110 divided by 10, result is 11. Another rule is when two negative integers are divided, result is positive. Here example is minus 75 divided by minus 15. As minus minus sign get cancelled, we get positive result 5. Another example is minus 110 divided by minus 10. Here minus minus sign get cancel, so it becomes 110 divided by 10. So result is plus 11. The third rule is when positive integer is divided by negative. Example is 75 divided by minus 15. So result is minus 5. Another example is 110 divided by minus 10, so result is minus 11. The fourth and the last rule is when negative integer divided by positive, then we get negative integer. Minus 75 divided by positive 15, we get minus 5. Similarly, minus 110 is divided by plus 10, so we get minus 11. So here the rules are when both integers are same, means positive integer is divided by positive or negative integer is divided by negative, result is always positive. But when different integers, means positive integer is divided by negative or negative integer is divided by positive, result is negative. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.